Hello everyone and welcome to the Dirt Floor Fab YouTube channel. We're going to be showing you how to do a 1/2 inch head stud upgrade for your LS block at home today. We're going to be using this 1/2 inch head stud fixture from Tick Performance. They make this for use with a 4 and 6 bolt. You can see these bottom holes here are for upgrading your 6 bolt blocks to a 3/8 stud. I just have a 4 bolt version. I don't have anything 6 bolt here. So this block is an LC9 aluminum block Gen 4. We're going to be doing the upgrade to today. This is my first go around on this, so I'm just as green as you are, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on it. Alright everybody, so this is the components of the kit, and we'll just kind of go quickly through it. There is 2 dowels here that locate the fixture to the block. These go where the head dowels go in place of them. They're machined. Apparently these are larger inside diameter than the original dowels, so you can go ahead and drill and tap through them. You get 4 of these guides to bolt the head bolts down. They are made to fit both 1/2 inch and the original head bolts. This is your 27/64 drill bit. This is your 33/64 drill bit. And this is your tap. And then, as you can see, there's guides for each one. And as you can see on the plate, there are holes next to them that are tapped for a bolt that will hold this guide down. So forgive my preschool era drawing skills here, but we're just going to go through. What you're going to do is you're going to use your 27/64 drill bit. You're going to measure from the bottom of the hole to the top, including your fixture and guide. And you're going to mark your 27/64 drill bit with that length. You're going to measure from the top of the threads up to the top of your guide with the 33/64 drill bit and mark that. You're going to drill your 27/64 to the bottom. You're going to drill your 33/64 to the top of the threads, and then you're going to tap it. So I've got the fixture all bolted down. I've got my drill bits marked. I've got everything in order. We're going to go ahead and start on it. Alright, drill bit on, drill bit marked, taped. We go ahead and do the first hole. Go ahead and take the guide out. They say that you don't really need to run these bolted in. We're going to blow the chips out. Sorry guys, I had to get a different blow gun out of my truck. The other one didn't really work. So now we just got to drill the larger bit. Run this in. As I said before, down to the mark, taped off. That was easy. Now this is a machine fit for this, so you actually have to put the tap in the hole, then the guide, then bolt it down. Slave to appearances here. Run this down just for safety's sake. Put your tap driver on here. Wish my tap driver was better quality. They say this spiral fluted tap is supposed to be able to clear its own sorry, that was annoying. It's supposed to be able to clear its own material, so you won't bottom out on a bunch of shavings. Honestly, it's tapping very easy, a lot easier than I thought it would. Pretty sure that was the bottom. That's out. Go ahead and clear the chips and reconfirm. Like I said, this is my first time, so we're just going to go ahead and do everything, once and make sure, once or twice, make sure everything's legit. So as I said, go ahead and move this over to this hole, and then drill this one, drill the rest of them. I'm going to go ahead and put this video on time lapse, and then go ahead and talk you guys through the outro, my thoughts on it after using it for this one side. And I'll probably post some links on where you can get this set up if you want to go ahead and try it for yourself. So guys, I think you get the idea with this. It's very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and do these last three here. Keep it bolted down, and then I'll show you guys the finished product and kind of wrap up my ideas, thoughts on it, and everything. So guys, this is the finished product. Studs are in, holes are tapped, everything's resized. I'd have to say fairly easy job, maybe 3 or 4 out of 10 difficulty. You don't need, just a few tools, a blowgun and a cordless drill. It went really easy. I guess the only thing that I would say, and Matt also says it in his video, is the only thing you really got to look out for is when you're drilling. It really wants to pull to the bottom on this aluminum block, so it wants to force your drill bit down. It's a really weird sensation. Maybe it's just because I've never really done any fixture drilling or anything. So say that's about the only thing to watch out for. And I guess I would say, if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and check out Tick Performance. I'll have the link in the description. I'll probably never use these studs to the end of their ability. We're going to be on a stock bottom end this year, and hopefully go to a forged bottom end after a year or so. So we're only looking to make about 800 to 900 at the tires, which is probably the edge of what this stock rotating assembly is going to hold with a good tuner. But if you guys want to follow the build, go ahead and subscribe. We doing more updates on it. We're going to send this block out to be machined, so I got to strip it down the rest of the way and have the heads decked. And the only real reason I'm going to be doing that is because this had a head gasket issue, and I just want to make 100% sure that it's right before we go together with it, because we're going to be hitting it pretty hard for a stock block. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.